My name is Manuel and I want you to walk through with the assignments for this week. So, part one of the contact project. So, I'll just skim through the rubric so we can delve into what we were asked to do. So, this video is going to show the endpoints, the API endpoints, and also the deployment stages rather, and also the security, um, from Mongodb. That is how I was able to encapsulate them and make them invisible for my GitHub portfolio, and how I used proper MVC in rendering the overall project. So we'll start off by looking at the Visual Studio Code, where I have my code running currently. So what I'll just do, I'll just stop this and then start it again. So I want to be very fast with what I'm doing here. So just hope we okay. So this is it. I'm in my virtual environment right now. I'm using Batch, and all I have to do is this is already running. I'm using Thunder client as my um, get API. So Thunder client is going to substitute REST API and the rest of them. So I chose Thunder client because of how simple or how simpler it looks. So for me, I just understand Thunder client, so that's why I'm using Thunder client. So yeah, so let's quickly look at the database, which is my MongoDB, and how I connected to the cluster. So I'm actually connected to cluster 0. So I set up connections security. That was done, and then I used MongoDB for VS Code. So that was used, and then I copied this string, the connection string rather. So I copied this connection string, which is this, but my password was not included. That's a placeholder for password, so it wasn't included. So I just copied it, and then I came back to my VS Code, and then I pasted it in the MongoDB environment, since you already have the extension installed. So if you look closely here, you notice that this is where connections happened for MongoDB, and this connection happened quite right. So I have contacts, and yeah. So this is my database, and you can see the contacts there. So contact is there. So I can check for the contacts by giving it a command, and it can actually give me um, all contacts or a single contact. So let me quickly run this program again. So npm start. So this starts the project, and then I'm listening on the port I chose, which is 8080. So I'll just quickly skim through that also. And we should also look at, before I finish with this video, I want to show you something else. Yes, before I leave Visual Studio Code entirely, let's quickly look at um, the connection that I used here. So notice that there was a playground that was created when I connected to MongoDB. So this playground is going to be used. So it's going to be used for running my MongoDB file. So every command. Yes, so this is running fine. So this is all. Let me make this clearer. So this is all you get, all the contacts you get. This is for every contact, you know, you get for that particular command that was written. So from my controllers, yeah. So let me quickly. So this is just the part that um, I think interests me more. So I'll just quickly show you the the deployment stage. So I used render for deployment. So render is a web service um, for deployment. So it's while you're hosting on GitHub, you also deploy with render. So this is where I come to get my render code, and oh, I'm getting a 502 bad gateway. This is an error from my server. So I'll just go back to my server, and then I'll confirm where this error is coming from. So while on this, I'll pause this video, and I'll I'll fix this error, and see you next time.